ugima wa mwiri nirurutite mukana kuri a Kenya iguru rigie mirimu iria koragwo igicungagiririo ni maai ma giko na kuringana na Ruhonge rwa igad Climate Prediction and Application Center nirwo icpac bururi-ini nirugite ati bururi-ini ikwamukira mbura ya muniko tare yakorirwo igikiura hindi-ini ya mwaka wa 1997 oro hamwe 2006 na Mwandiki mukaru wa Ruhonge ruru rwa ugima wa mwiri muthoni augite ati Ruhonge ruru nirutanyite oro hamwe na anyiti itemi niguo makiaraniria na kwigathika mitaratara iria gukorwo iginyitirira andu na makiria gwithema na hathara iria yumanaga na mbura ta ici.
So any community member can access the services.
Like we have El-Nino coming right now. How prepared are we in our households? Because it's not just about the government, what the government is doing, it's also what the people are doing in their small circles, in their small areas of living. Therefore, we need to look out for those things that need to reduce the diseases that make us go to hospital more often. We are detecting that there's going to be water logging. We clear it. If it is an issue of infrastructure, they are rectified right now, and that is already happening. It's not something that we are planning. And preparedness, remember we have already done polio vaccination, cholera vaccination, which the campaigns that we have been doing, and this has gone with sensitization on how to also prevent some of the waterborne diseases that are likely to come with El-Nino.
Huu utakuwa ni mtandao ambao tutaweka pamoja vijiji, tutaweka pamoja zahanati, tutaweka pamoja vituo vyetu vya afya ili viweze kufanya kazi pamoja, ili ziweze kutoa huduma kwa bora, ili wale wauguzi wetu waweze kushirikiana wote.
Looking at ourselves as me, I'm in the hospital, I'm in the health center.